Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I emphatically today would like to speak in support of the Epidemic Diseases Act of 2020, which has been brought to replace the old Epidemic Diseases Act of 1897, which is 130 years old. I'm not saying that this old bill was not appropriate, but in modern day, after about 123 years, there were limitations in the bill, and this bill did not have answers. Rather, the Act did not have answer to deal with the violence and the harassment that was meted out to the health care providers. It did not have any deterrence. It did not lead to fear in the mind of the perpetrators of violence and such acts against healthcare workers. Therefore, it was in order to curb such unprecedented act of violence, including physical and mental harassment and damage to properties during the COVID-19 pandemic, there has been an urgent need to have a law passed for the protection of such healthcare workers. The frontline healthcare workers of a country in their battle against COVID-19 were subjected to verbal and physical abuses, which is known to everybody and has come out in the open in the discussion today in the Parliament. They have been stigmatized and ostracized, and many of them were forced to leave their home. I remember our battle about 25-30 years back when I was a new entry into the medical college. Our battle against the so-called deadly AIDS, when the government of India had to run ads in national TV channels to prevent the stigma around AIDS. But that was only against patients at that time and not against the healthcare workers. But unfortunately, it is important to bring to the notice that this time the stigma and the ostracization happened not only against the patient, but against the healthcare workers who were working almost 24/7 for almost 6 months on, that they were ostracized. The morale of the health workers, care workers have been badly hit. I actually shudder to think what would have happened if the government under the leadership of Modi ji and Dr. Harshvardhan would not stand behind the frontline workers. Today I am very happy and I stand here emphatically to support the bill which has been brought to protect the rights of the healthcare workers. The bill which has come is actually a non-bailable, leads to a non-bailable offense against the perpetrators, and it leads to a punishment of about 3 months to 7 years and even a fine of 50,000 to 5 lakh. The time given to the police to complete their inquiry is only 30 days, which is a very important aspect of this, and the trial should complete in 1 year. I would not like to take much of your time. I thank you once again for giving an opportunity and to highlight few points which come in this Epidemic Diseases Act of 2020. And in the last part, I would like to offer my condolences to all the family members of those bereaved ones of COVID-19 and thank those healthcare workers who have worked day in and day out for the last 6 months and given a name of resilience to our country. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.